Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Photoshop mobile application. And after we have our Photoshop application opened, we can select a photo we want to change the background on. For example, I'm going to change the background of this photo. So I'm going to click on it. Then we can go to the background section. Wait guys, go to this background section, and here we just need to choose like the color we want to apply to our photo. And I'm going to choose this purple color. Okay, now as you can see that the background color has been changed, and we just need to click on this icon to save this photo to our device. Okay, and now the photo has been saved to my gallery, and that's how we can change the background color in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.